Organic analysis. Mass spectrometry. Organic molecules are passed through mass spectrometer. It detects both whole molecule and fragment of molecule. Peak with highest mass over charge ratio will be because of original molecule that hasn't fragmented, called a molecular ion. Charge of ion is +1 mass over charge is just the MR. Molecular ion formed is when M forms M plus 1 an electron. Molecular ions are molecule with one electron removed, so it's an ion and free radical. High-resolution mass spectrometer used to find molecular formula of compound from accurate mass of molecular ions. High-resolution mass spectroscopy measure to 5 decimal places, so you can differentiate between compounds that have similar MR. Some may have the same rough MR, but precise MR of each molecule is different. Carbon is standard reference and has MR of 12. M plus 2 peak. Compound which is chlorine or bromine atom, then 2 molecular ion peaks will happen, which is M, and M plus 2 peaks will happen because of 2 naturally occurring isotope of chlorine or bromine. Chlorine is Cl35, which is 75%, and Cl37, which is 25%. Bromine is Br79, is 50%, and Br81 is 50%. So, for chloromethane M will be 50 when chlorine is 35, and M plus 2 can be 52 when chlorine is 37. And for bromomethane M is 94 when bromine is 79, and M plus 2 can be 96 when bromine is 81. Ratio of heights is 1:1. If the compound has 2 chlorine or bromine, then M plus 2 and M plus 4 peaks will happen. Infrared spectroscopy. Certain groups in molecules absorb infrared radiation at different frequencies. Complicated spectra can be obtained and provide information about types of bond present in molecule. Above 1,500 means functional group identification, and below 1,500 is fingerprint region. Fingerprint region is unique for every compound, and so can be compared to other molecule which has the same fingerprint region. Computers compare infrared spectra against database of known pure compounds to identify the compound. OH alcohol is smooth peak, but OH acid is bumpy peak. C double bond O is a strong skinny peak. Make sure you say what wavelength it is when you're saying the type of peak. Rogue peaks are indicators of impurities. Absorption of infrared radiation by bonds in this type of spectroscopy is same absorption that bonds in carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor have in the atmosphere, which causes greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect is explained in alkanes. Identification of functional groups by test tube reactions. Alkene is bromine water, which turns orange to colorless. Aldehydes is Fellings, which is blue to red, or Tollens reagent is silver mirror. More on this in aldehydes area. Carboxylic acids use sodium carbonate, which forms effervescence of carbon dioxide. Secondary and primary alcohols and aldehydes is potassium dichromates and sulfuric acid, which is orange to green. Testing of Tollens, Fellings, and sodium carbonate is explained in aldehyde section.